Today we are making fig sandwiches, and the ingredients are very easy. There are figs, cream fraiche, and Ukrainian sunflower honey. And so here's how you do it. So first, all you do, you get 2 pieces of bread. This is Johnny's, this is mine. You put them in, and all you do, press it, and then just wait. While that, we are going to cut the figs. So you grab 2 fingers on each side. You get a knife, cut it right through the middle. I learned this from another guy, and I was watching it, and just put it in the side of your thing. And the toaster, it's supposed to cook to 2 to 3 minutes, I guess. And
what kind of bread are you using?
We're using homemade bread from my mom that she made earlier. We are going to cut a couple more, and then we're gonna see what time it is. See how fresh it looks inside. The red part, it's really good inside right there. The bread is ready. So now we're just going to put, here, I gotta cut one more. Okay, now all we have to do is just put cream fraiche, and you put it on, and you wipe it around on there. Yep. And then you keep scooping until it's completely full. And now, I just gotta add a little bit more to mine, and that's about enough sour cream. Real Ukrainian sunflower honey that actually came from Ukraine. All we do, get a whole spoon of it, and we just let it. After that, look it. Don't want to let. It looks perfect. Then we pick it up and we taste it, see if it's perfect. And it is actually pretty good. Super cool. Good. Check the link below and subscribe. If you make it, it's gonna be awesome taste.